3 removable 2.5 quarts. Oval stoneware pots. Individual cooking controls with low, high, warm settings. Specially designed lid rests for convenient serving. Tempered glass lids with cool touch knobs. Slow cook and serve immediately without transferring. Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape is great for surfaces that require a little extra care, such as wood floors, wallpaper, cabinets, painted drywall, and freshly painted walls, painted at least 24 hours ago. This delicate surface tape with gentle adhesive can stay on surfaces for up to 60 days and then removes easily without leaving any sticky residue behind. This tape features edge lock technology that seals out paint to deliver sharp paint lines and clean removal for your more sensitive projects, including accent walls, decorative stripes and patterns. Whether you're protecting your hardwood floors from paint splatter or going all out with a decorative mural, rely on Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape for a professional look that's easy on your surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for small parties. Didn't run into any issues. I wish this had plug outlets built into it to connect with other units the way the other brand does, but this was the only one that had the number of crocs and in the size that I needed. I needlessly worried it would be too small and we would run out of food. I cooked enough food to fill a little past the rim with the lid still able to close. It was perfect for a Thanksgiving with 4 average adult males and 4 petite-size females, and 1 preschooler, with enough leftovers to bag for the guests and for us to eat for almost every day for a week. We had 2 10-pound turkeys and a lot of other food not seen in photo. I could have easily fed another family of 4.